This was the sky today above our CloudBuster. Our CloudBuster has 6 pipes with 6 quartz crystals that sit on top of a bucket of orgonite, which is connected to the earth electrically. And there's no wind today, and you can see the pattern is made in the clouds and around the clouds. So the water jar has shungite in it, and that is where I also structure our water. It's spring water that goes in every day and spends 24 hours in the sunlight and moonlight, and the ether from the earth, which is structured by the crystals, passes through the water. And in the winter, when the ice water froze in the jar, there was actually 6 bubbles, which is where the H2O turns to H3O.